guys, welcome to my vlog from the garage. Today I will be trying to start the project of swapping engine in my drift car. It's just an old Volvo 940 which I have been running a stock Volvo 4-cylinder red block engine in with about 400 horsepower to the wheels. But it's on the last driving it broke a valve, and then I totaled the whole engine. The top, the block, pistons, everything. So instead of rebuilding that engine, I plan on swapping it with an Audi 5-cylinder engine. I don't know how this will be, because there is no parts to buy, but hopefully it will be a fun project, and it will work quite well when it's done. The transmission I will be using is from BMW. It's a ZF gearbox. It's cut here and it's welded onto the Audi 01E mounts. So this will fit straight to the Audi engine. The mounts I will be using for the transmission is this one. I bought it from MKM Motorsport. It's a company in Sweden who makes brackets for different gearboxes in different Volvos. This one is for the ZF in the 940. For the propeller shaft I will be using this bracket. It's same as the stock one, like this, but it's more adjustments. It's different holes where you can put the bearing, and it's also thicker, so I think it's more solid than the stock one. With the transmission mount I can use this OEM BMW rubber bushings. This will make the transmission bolt straight on. One of the first problems with mounting the engine is the oil sump, because in the Volvo the front subframe is here, so the engine will not fit. I've tried to do some research about how to solve this, and I came up with a few solutions, and I don't know. I think I have one that I will choose. I will see. This is one solution I was checking out. It's the pan from the Volvo D24. It's a diesel engine. It's built on the Audi Volkswagen block, so it's the same mounts. The only thing is that I had to cut it, or I had someone do it for me, because I cannot weld this material, aluminium, and like you remove one length of the 1-cylinder and shorten it to fit the 5-cylinder. The main concern about this is that the engine is the Audi engine is mounted more laying, so this sump will have the wrong the oil will not be correctly here, I think, because it's too little angle on the sump. Then I came across someone who has done the swap before, and they had made their own custom oil pan. It's made of steel. It's heavy. It's not so good looking, and it's not completely straight, so it will not seal completely around. I don't know if I will use this or not yet. If I will need to fix it a bit. Also, on the inside, I would like to re-weld some of the welds to be sure nothing comes loose. I don't know yet if I will use it. The last option, and the one I like the best, is this pan from the... This is also from the D24, same engine as the first one, but this is from Volvo 240. Not the first one was from 740. This is from a 240, and here it's a lot more angle on the sump. So hopefully this will be better when mounted in the car, and also I think it should clear the subframe enough. One of the other problems is the oil pickup. This one is already custom made to fit with the homemade sump. I have not checked how it fits with the D24 sump yet. I will need to measure it, how it picks up the oil. This one is the stock one for the D24. But it's, as you can see, it's too long. But it's deeper. So I guess I also need to extend this one to be like on this, like this, or shorten this one. I will have some measurements done when I'm finally finished. But first I need to check if the oil sump fits in the car, and then also fabricate some engine mounts. I will also be using this block reinforcement. It will give the engine a bit more strength. So now it's time to mount the engine and see if it can fit inside the car. was struggling to get the engine in the car. It was too tight between the subframe and the firewall. First I tried to remove the head to get more space, but it still wouldn't fit. Then I tried to put the engine in without the gearbox and then mount the gearbox after I put the engine in. But since the engine was hanging from the chain in the hoist, I could not fit the gearbox when I was doing this alone. So I gave up that. And now I have lowered the subframe and it will give more space to get the engine and the gearbox in the car. All of the driveline is connected, so next up is making the engine mounts. Please hit the like button and subscribe if you like this project and want to see how it goes. See you!